Hi, Bliss.
Hi, Becca. Oh, hi, everyone. Let me introduce you to my friend, Becca.
Hello, everyone. By the way, what are you doing, Bliss?
I'm going to prepare my favorite sauce.
Have you done with the ingredients?
Yes, of course.
It seems you have another thing to do.
Well, actually, yes. I want to share something with the audience.
Better you do it, and let me help you to prepare the sauce.
Yes. Thanks, Becca. You are so kind.
Don't mention it.
Hi, everyone. How are you today? I hope you are well. It's time for me to share about the Chariot with you. Card number 7 of Major Arcana in Tarot deck, upright. Let me go to the description first. This card shows a warrior standing inside a chariot. He stands alone. The square on his tunic describes the element of earth, and the material world around him help the warrior to the ground. The armor he wears is decorated with crescent moons representing new journey. The star crown on his head describes victory, success, and enlightenment. He stands tall, ready to move forward. The canopy above him indicates his connection with the divine world and spiritual will. There are two sphinxes, black and white, in front of him, represent senses, conscious and unconscious. The black sphinx is the moon, the feminine, unconscious. The white sphinx is the sun, the masculine, conscious. Together they create harmony and balance. The charioteer must focus and use his ability to control his emotions and thoughts to lead the sphinxes to the destination he wants. In other words, he must control and direct those sphinxes, and he must command them with willpower and determination in order to succeed, as those two sphinxes keep on pulling the chariot. So, when this card appears in a reading, meaning it's time for you to get what you want. This card is a sign of encouragement. It's about overcoming obstacles and achieving your goal through determination, focus, and willpower. You will feel motivated, ambitious, and in control, which will help you to just keep on moving again and overcome all the challenges that may be in your way. Just keep on focus and believe in your own abilities, and you will achieve your goal. This card also tells you that victory is waiting for you, and you are fully in control to make it happen. Just focus on a positive energy. This will allow you to work with the law of attraction and bring things that you want. Okay, That's it. Alright. Yes, I know what I share to you here is far from the word perfect. So, you can search another source to add. But I still hope you enjoy this video. So, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. By the way, what is this smell? Something is burning. Huh? Becca, where are you? Don't leave the kitchen while you are cooking, okay? See you later.